Hello everybody, I'm Julian and I'm one of the co-founders of Metergrid. And Metergrid is the solution to allow everybody to participate in our energy transition. In the next few minutes, I will explain you how we are doing that and what are our big ambitions behind. Doesn't work.
The green button.
Oh, the green one.
Big green.
Doesn't work. Oh, I'm so sorry. But if we are taking a short look in our current situation in the solar market, then we see a lot of really wealth people can buy PV systems for their single-family homes. But if you are taking a look on the other side of the market, then we see like a lot of multi-family houses, they have no solar systems on their roofs. And because of them, we are forgetting more of the half than the population in Germany, 44 million tenants or residents in multi-family houses. The consequences are really bad for us. We will not have the acceptance for our energy transition, and we will not achieve our CO2 reduction targets in the future. But there's a solution for the problem. It's called tenant electricity. And that means that the landlords or the real estate companies sell their electricity direct and local to their tenants, and they will become a little energy provider for them. Also, our Minister for Climate and Economic Affairs told us in an interview, or explained us, it is a really, really meaningful concept. But if we are taking a look in the past, and we see the expansion in this area was not really high, and there are two reasons for it. One, it was complex because of high regulatory hurdles, and on the other hand, the return on investment in these projects have been not really high, and because of them, we haven't seen a really growth in this market. But that's really important. This situation changed radically now and over the last year, because now we have a better return on investment, up to 15% for multi-tenant tenant electricity projects, because we have a higher level in energy prices in general, and we have decreasing prices for solar systems, and also the regulatory hurdles decreased. Now we see as Metergrid like a boom in this market. We have 400 inbound leads every month from real estate companies for energy solutions for their multi-tenant, for their multi-residential houses. And that's an incredible number also for us. The question in the market is not now, is there sufficient demand? The question now is, we need a scalable solution for multi-tenant houses, and then Metergrid comes into. We are the first startup that have a scalable solution for a big part of the multifamily houses. And we want to make 4 million landlords to be their energy provider for their tenants. That's our big vision in the future. How we are doing that? We developed a standardized onboarding process that we take over every economic and technical implementation and stakeholder management. We offer smart meter solutions. They are cost efficient and smart. And at the end, we have the software for the administration and billing process. And now the customer gets everything from one solution provider that he needs for a really successful tenant electricity project. This leads to a lot of advantages. For first, the landlord have now an investment for 15% for his projects, and at the end we will have millions of energy suppliers, not like now 1,000 big energy providers. That's a revolution in the energy market. At the second time, the tenant gets inflation-free electricity over the next 20 years, and third, we achieve our CO2 reduction targets also in the building sector. What is our traction and what we achieved in the last year? We now implement more than 600 projects of multi-tenant tenant electricity projects that leads to 15,000 tenants that have now access to local and green energy. And we have a 9 million lifetime value at the moment, and that it's due to the fact that our software is running 20 years in our projects. And that's a really, really incredible number. Also, we have now 15% month-over-month growth, and that's that our solution is now scalable in the market with our amazing growth numbers. What is our future ambition? Our future ambition, what we believe on, is that we want to maximize sustainable profitability for our customers, and then we increase our demand, because everyone knows, okay, if you have a 15% return on investment in your projects, you have to do it. You are stupid if you don't. And that we are doing with implement new products like energy management systems, dynamic tariffs, and we want to be the market leader in the sector of multifamily houses. We won incredible investors and raised total capital of 3.5 million euro, and now we are open to for new investors to realize our amazing plans. We want, if you take an outlook to 2028, we want to implement 250,000 projects in the market share of 5% in the residential place, with 5 million tenants, and we have a really high margin revenue of 800 million euro in 2028. That's our target, and we want to be one of important part in the multifamily sector. Thank you so much. If you want to be a part of our journey, then let's connect later. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.